Welcome with Mr. Tully's class.
Hey there, this is Ian, and today we're going to look at how you can use the special functions within PowerSchool to create a report, which is a list of students based upon a series of factors. Now, the focus that I'm going to be doing today is for providing information to Toronto Public Health for vaccination clinics, as this is something that has come up. The first thing you need to do is select the students that are going to be included in the report. Now, I'm on the main page of PowerSchool. One way you can select it is by grade. So for example, I can click grade 7 or 8, but because I want to select multiple grades, I'm going to click Advanced. Once I click Advanced, I'm going to first click 7. I'm going to do Add. Right when I click Add, you're going to see this current selection appear here with 101. I also want to include grade 8, so at the top, I'm going to click grade 8. And I'm going to add to that selection. And now going back here, you'll see that my current selection is 207, which is the combination of all the grade 7 and 8s in my school. Once I've selected all the students that I want to include, I'm going to go to Special Functions. Once that's been selected, I'm then going to go to Group Functions. After which, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and under here where it says Export, I'm going to do List of Students. Now, here you have a bunch of fields that I've pre-selected. I'm going to explain a little more of those in a moment. The first thing I want to do is at the top here where there's a report title, I've already created a title, which is grade 7 and 8 students, but you can name this whatever you want. So I can call this my vaccination report, grade 7 and 8, or really whatever tickles your fancy. Next thing here, I have several fields, as I mentioned, already preloaded. I have legal last name, legal first name, date of birth, street, city, etc., etc. And for column title, I need to put in a title for each field here. So in this case, I'm going to put city as I left that blank. Now, I've included homeroom, but you're going to see right now at present the special functions does not yet include homeroom, but I'm hoping that it will one day. So I kind of leave it there aspirationally for myself. Now, in the case you want to add a new field or you just want to know how to add them at all, here next to number 7, I have the option for fields, which I'm going to click. Under filter, I'm going to look for the field I want. So for example, let's say I want to look for a first name. I'm going to do first, and here are a bunch of options. Now you have first name, which ends up coming preferred first name the majority of the time. You also have legal first name or preferred first name. So let's say I wanted to do preferred first name. I'm going to click here, 301. And then for the column title, I'm going to do first name, and I'm going to do preferred. Now, I don't want to include that for the purposes of my report, but I just wanted to show you how you could do that. So I'm going to delete that here. Now, once you've made sure you've included all the fields you wanted and you have all your titles, and you have at the top the report title, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Submit. Now, this is actually a pretty quick report to generate in PowerSchool, as you see here. So I have all of my data that I need. What I'm going to do in terms of using it, I'm going to go to the bottom. I'm going to select everything here. I'm going to copy that. I'm then going to go to a Google Sheet, and I'm going to paste it in. And right away, you'll see all the information. You have the title, you have last name, first name, and all the other information you asked for. Okay, well, that's all for me today. Good luck out there with PowerSchool.